Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make pineapple chicken and prawn fried rice. So we have here in front of us 4 cups of overnight rice that's been cooked overnight, and here 4 whole eggs that's been beaten, 2 fresh pineapple. I've actually cut one up to speed up the process. So I'm going to show you how to cut this up. So you have the lid to close it, and the fresh pineapple from the first pineapple that's been cut up. 100 grams of chicken, cut it into cubes. 12 whole prawns. We have 1 onion chopped up. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. We have 3 cloves of minced garlic. 2 teaspoons of chicken stock powder and 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. And we have 200 grams of cashew nut for garnishing, and 50 grams of raisins, and some cucumber and coriander leaves, and extra cashew nut to put on top. And all the sauce that we're going to use to marinate the chicken and the prawns. So let's get started. So firstly, we're going to marinate the chicken. So put in the chicken cubes, 2 teaspoons of cornflour, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and about a teaspoon of sesame oil. So this is half, so about 1 teaspoon of that, and then some pepper, and leave it aside to marinate while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. The chicken is marinated. So now I'm going to do the same for the prawns. 1 teaspoon of cornflour, about half a teaspoon of the turmeric powder, about half teaspoon, and then about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a bit of pepper. So I'm going to leave that aside. The fish sauce into the soy sauce. I'm going to mix all the sauce already. Mix in, and the chicken stock, and the sugar, turmeric powder, all that in and set aside. So it's all mixed in, all ready to be used. So we're going to cut the pineapple exactly like this. So we have the lid on top. So make sure we can balance the pineapple, and then we're going to do about an inch cut. I'm just going to cut it open. So here you go, both our pineapple has been cut and taken out the flesh, and have cut them into pieces. And any of the minced pineapple and the juice, I put it here. So this is pineapple is all ready now. Next we're going to get the rice ready. So rice all been cooked overnight. We're going to stir in the eggs into the rice. Loosen up any lumpy bit so it's ready to be fried. rice now ready. Now I'm gonna heat up the wok. I'm gonna heat this up. Now it's hot, we're gonna add in the prawns. Okay, now the prawns is cooked, we're gonna take it out and set it aside. Lower the heat. We said there's enough oil, so we don't have to add any more oil. Look. Turn the heat to high again, and I'm gonna add in the chicken. The chicken. So now the chicken is cooked, lower the heat, and I'm going to remove the chicken and set aside. So heat up the wok again after you give it a clean with paper towel and take out any of the cornstarch that's stuck in there. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of oil. So heat it on high again. I'm going to add in the onion. Add in the garlic as well. Now the onion is slightly brown. Then add in the rice. The rice mixture with the egg. Stir a little bit to about 5 minutes now, and then just put it on medium heat. I'm going to add in the sauce. And stir in. Okay, so just fry until the rice is a bit dry. Add in the minced pineapple. Probably just half of it, not all. And some of the juice. I'm going to add in the chicken, pineapple, and the raisins, and the cashew nuts. Then lastly, I'm going to add in the prawns. There you go guys, this is our Thai pineapple chicken and prawn fried rice. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you next time.